In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your DNS records in GoDaddy. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the GoDaddy.com website and make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account. Then click on your profile name in the top right hand side and select My Products. From this window, scroll down the page and you should see a full list of all of your domain names. Now from here, just select the domain that you want to change the DNS records for and click on the DNS button. So this will take you to the DNS management window, and from here you'll be able to change all of your DNS records. So if you want to add a new record, simply click on the Add New Record button, select the type of record that you want to add. Now this is going to differ for everyone depending on the type of record that you're trying to add. Now the most common one to use here is this A record, and all the A stands for is address, and this is really useful if you're trying to point your domain name to a server address. So for example, if you've purchased your domain name on GoDaddy, but you have your server hosted on another website, then what you would do here is select a record, and then you would just use the @ symbol to target your domain name. And for the value, this is where you would enter your server IP address. So you would need to find this IP address by logging into your server dashboard, and the TTL number here is basically the time to live. And for most of these records, you could just set this to 1 hour. Now there are some other types of records you can add here, like CNAME and MX records for your email accounts. But once again, this all depends on the records that you're trying to add, and this will differ for each individual scenario. Now another thing you can do from here is click on the Name Servers tab, and you can actually point your name servers to a completely different hosting account. So once again, if you've purchased your domain name on GoDaddy, but you have your website hosting or server located elsewhere, then what you could do is actually change the name servers to point to your server, and that way all of your DNS records will be managed by your server instead of GoDaddy. And that's basically just an alternative method of changing your A record in the DNS fields. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.